Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix your broken makeup without any use of alcohol or rose water. So to see how I have fixed my Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter, keep on watching. So here I am taking my Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting palette, a brush, a spatula like this and a tissue paper. So let's fix this palette. At first, with the help of the back of a brush, I'll crush the highlighter so that there is no large chunk left. I'm using my face pack brush to crush the highlighter, but you can use anything which can crush the makeup and that is available to you. It should look like this before moving into the next step, and you can already see it is setting into the pan. Now I'll take a spatula and start applying gentle stroke over the highlighter so that it sets into the makeup pan. Remember guys, you need to apply very light pressure with your hand and set it. Because if you apply too much of pressure, it will break apart again. Your makeup already has a binding agent in it, so if it breaks also, don't worry, you can fix this very easily at home using this method. You will not require any rubbing alcohol or rose water for this. And also remember guys, using rose water or alcohol can sometimes ruin your makeup consistency and quality. This Wet n Wild highlighter is my favorite and you guys have seen me using this in many of my past videos. It broke one day while shooting and today I decided to finally fix this and also show you guys how I am fixing. Now I'll take a tissue paper and place it over the makeup pan, and with the help of the spatula we'll set it evenly. You can see me applying very light pressure and gentle strokes, so follow the same while setting it evenly on the pan. Next, with my finger, I'll fix the corners and you can see it has fixed so nicely in the pan. With the help of the same tissue paper, I'll clean the cover and the edges so that it looks neat and clean and ready to use again. Your broken makeup is completely fixed and ready to use again, as you can see. And to show you how strongly it has fixed, I'll tilt and tap it to show you that there is no fallout. If you find this video useful for you, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is by Rajnandini, to watch more videos related to makeup. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll meet again in my next video. Bye.